gals wind up on the dance floor.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this profile picture right here. Then so this is how you do it. So first you're gonna have Roblox Studio, and then you're gonna left click next to it and click on new folder, and then you're gonna name it. Okay, so once you're done naming it, you're gonna click on Roblox Studio. Okay, once you open Roblox Studio, you're gonna click on base plate. And then once you open baseplate, you're going to want to click on models and click on plugins, then click on load character, and then you're going to install it. I've already have it installed. And then right now, after that, you're going to click on plugins and then click on load character, and then you're going to want to type your name. And then you're going to spawn in R6. And then after that, you're going to position the way you like it. So I guess this is good. Okay, and then you're gonna drop it down, and then you're gonna, as you can see, I'm doing time lapse right now because I knew it was gonna take a long time to do this by myself while talking. So I just started doing time lapse, so hang in there. And okay, so once you're done with I'm actually not that mostly done. Okay, now, so once you're done with your character, you can left click on your character right here, and then click on export selection, and then click on my Roblox character, and then name it and save it. And then you can just exit out of baseplate of Roblox Studio. And then once you're done, and then once you go into your files, you wanna have my pick OBG, then left click it, and then open with 3D viewer. Then you're gonna wanna place the camera where you like it. Perfect. And then you can do the shadows right here. Let's see what shadows do like. And then there's the light down here that you can do. I'm gonna do this. Okay, once you're done with your light, you're gonna click on File, export image, and then keep it as PNG, and then size and resolution at HD 1440, and then click on transparency and click on render shadow. And then after that, you're gonna click on export, and then you're gonna save it to my Roblox character, and then you can just exit out. And then you're gonna go into Photopea after that, and you want to click on new project. And then you want to put the width at 1000 pixels and the height at 1000 pixels. And then click on background to transparent. And click on create. And after that, you're going to click on file and then open and place. And then go to my Roblox character and then click on my pick. And that should be there, and then hold shift and then position it where you like it. And then after you're done pasting it, you're going to click on this check. Okay, so after that, you're going to left click on my pick and click on blending options, and then I'm going to do my settings. Okay, once you're done with your outline, you want to click on File and then Open in Place. And then what I have this blue swirl. And oh yeah, and if it goes in front, you can just take my pick and put it over it, and that's it. So well, you guys actually made your profile picture, so hooray! And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.